In this video, I'm going to show you how to update your messages on Instagram. So as you can see here, we are still using the paper icon at the top. So to update that one, just go to your profile and then tap the three horizontal lines on the upper right and then click on Settings. In here, click on Update Messaging and then click on Update. And there you go. Your messaging is now updated, as you can see. So there are lots of features in this new messaging update. So you can explore this one. So you will still have a lot of good stickers. You can reply directly onto that message, specific message, and a lot more. And that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.